Hi, my name is Dr. Gemma and I'm one of the dentists at InvisibleBraces4U. The purpose of this video is to explain how the Invisalign app works. We use the Invisalign app to review weekly photos so that we can carefully track your progress every single week of your Invisalign journey. This means we can see how your teeth are moving, make sure everything is on track, and step in quickly if anything needs adjusting. Many clinics don't offer this level of monitoring, but we believe in going the extra mile to give you more support, more care, and the best possible results. I am now going to run you through the app software, explain how to use the app, and how to send your weekly photos. This is the homepage of the Invisalign app. On the homepage, you can see your current aligner, where it says 2 out of 20, and you can also see when your next aligner change is scheduled. On this example, the schedule is to change in 7 days. Below there is also a section which says non-wear time today. You can use this section to time how long the Invisalign has been out of the mouth to ensure you aren't going over 2 hours every day. You can also set an alarm to remind you to pop your aligners back in, which can be helpful to use after meal times. The rest of the homepage gives you general tips and advice and also shows you some of Invisalign's own products. The most important section of the app is the My Care section, which you can access using the toolbar at the bottom of the screen. You must always upload your photos on this section of the app. This is the only way our doctors will be able to view and monitor your progress. To upload your weekly photos, please click the blue camera button on the screen. When asked how you would like to take your photos, please click the second option, the option that says cheek retractors. These retractors would have been given to you at your first fit appointment. The app will then ask if someone will help you take your photos or if you're taking them alone. At the bottom of the screen, you will see an option to play an instructional video, which will show you how to take your photos and how to use the cheek retractors in more detail. Please ensure when taking your photos you choose a well-lit location. Please ensure you are wearing your aligners and that you use your cheek retractors. Keep your head straight and open your bite. Then simply click the blue Let's Start button, which will walk you through how to take your photos. The next section I'll explain is the message section. The message section is the best way you can contact our team during your Invisalign treatment. In the chat, you will be able to see the photos which you have submitted and also the feedback provided by our doctors. Here, you can see the feedback says great progress and ask the patient to please progress onto the next aligner. Sometimes, instead of a green notification, you may receive a yellow one, which asks you to stay on the same aligner for an additional 7 days. This simply means the teeth are moving a little slow, so we think you would benefit from wearing the same aligner for an additional week before progressing onto the next one. Wearing some aligners for an additional week doesn't mean anything has gone wrong. With Invisalign, this is actually very common. Teeth sometimes just need a little bit more time to move as planned. Wearing it for the extra week simply gives you the best chance of a great final result and keeps everything on track. If you do need to repeat any weeks during treatment, please ensure after the additional 7 days that you are resending your photos as shown previously in this video. The chat section is also the easiest way to ask us any questions at all during your Invisalign treatment. Please allow 2 to 3 business days for one of our doctors to respond. If no response, please resend the message or email us at the email address info@InvisibleBraces4U.co.uk. Please note that the gallery section in the app is for your own personal use only. Our doctors have no access to this section, so any photos sent here will not be used for monitoring. They are simply for your own personal use. In the home section, you will also be able to reset your schedule if the wrong number is showing. Please click the current aligner and then click Restart Aligner Schedule. Here, you will be able to change any of the information, like how many aligners you have in total or how many days you will wear each aligner. The hours will always be 22 hours every single day. Please also select which aligner number you're currently wearing and also which date you started wearing your current aligners. This will allow all the information presented on the app to be correct. You can also select the time where you would like an alarm to remind you to change over to your next aligner. This concludes the end of our instructional video of how to use the Invisalign app. Thank you for watching. We hope you found it helpful and feel confident about the journey ahead. If you have any questions, our team is always here to help. We look forward to helping you achieve your dream smile.